Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. First we coloring the shape of star, the next one is pentagon, and the next one is square. The next one is triangle, circle, trapezoid. Subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the shape of star. Now we are using and mixing the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing and coloring the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of white. Now we're mixing and using the color of white. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is square. Now we're coloring the shape of square. Kids, now we're using the color of green. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. The shape of square. The next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of black. Now we're mixing and using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is circle. Now we're coloring the shape of circle and using red color. Now we're mixing and using the color of red. The next one is trapezoid. Now we are using the color of yellow. Now we are using the color of yellow. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.